and from that particular artificial intelligence, whatever we have in our home like smart TV, it is connected to internet, even voice control. We can integrate with Alexa, and we can integrate with any kinds of devices. So from that any multiple devices, whatever we work over that, we have to know that particular kind of integrations. So everything is a single product only, and behind that particular single product there will be many researchers, many engineers, and many designers. So like that many kinds of plays or that particular roles will be played on this particular product. So all this kind of product, one this thing is assistance. So this is a virtual product which will be able to interact. So for example, here I will be able to work with two of the devices, which is known as the Google Assistant as well as the Siri. So with the help of Siri, if you want to just integrate anything, means it is very complicated. We have to attach towards the Apple Cloud, and from that we have to get the paid service, then only they will be enabling us. Same thing if you go for Google or Alexa, means it is very simple, and I hope for everyone the Google is known. So from that particular Google only we will be able to know that. So like just a moment, we'll be showing you. So hereby let us activate. Hey Siri, hey Siri, where am I? So this is showing my particular current location. So once again I will show. Hey Siri, where am I?
You're on the Resami underpass, Chennai.
So it is just providing my particular location onto this particular connections over here. Similarly, let us connect towards Google Assistant. Okay Google. So since this is Apple, it won't be able to get it automatically. Okay Google, where am I?
Current location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
So this kind of some integrations only will be working with this kind of assistance. Now through this assistance itself, we will be able to control any kinds of requirements, like any fan or light, anywhere we will be able to integrate. So that particular portion only, here we are going to integrate this particular cloud with NodeMCU, and through that we will be controlling any lights which has been connected towards it. So for our practice session today, we will be providing the home automation using Google Assistant. For that we have the required hardwares like the NodeMCU and the light. Rest everything comes under the software, coding as well as the cloud part. So that much simple we can make it, and everything is free but for a limited versions only. So what are that particular process we have to follow? First I will explain the process, then we can get into the step by step. So the process, once whenever I say any kind of data, it should be able to receive by that particular system. So how that it will be going means, from Google it will be moving to the IEEE agent, and from that it will be moving on towards the Adafruit, and from Adafruit it will be received into the particular controller, and based on the task whatever we have given, we will be able to see that respective output. So in this method only the entire process and the flow of this particular project will be working over here. Now hereby we have to create one by one. So first let us start with Adafruit. So Adafruit is one of the important and best cloud I can say. It is a foreign cloud only. So hereby already I have created onto it. So how to work on this means, this is my particular Adafruit account. So within this, inside the dashboard, here I will be having the respective parts. So from this I am going to provide a new dashboard, live demo. And now inside this I am going to create some requirement feeds. So how to create that respective button? Create new block. So create new block onto this. Then from this create a new feed, home auto. Click on create, and therefore hence it is created. Click on next step. Now we need a button. So button on means it must be 1. Button off means it must be 0. Rest everything should be same. Create the block. Now our button is ready. Now we have to get the required key. I hope key mostly it will be same. So let us get back to the key once when we are getting into the coding. Now let us go for IFTTT. IFTTT same, whatever we have seen for Google Sheet, the same method only. Go for create. I think hereby there is some issue since I have used the entire cloud. Okay, fine. So that's not an issue. So within already created, how we will be going means, so go on to one particular connected part, onto the settings. This is for on condition. Okay, so here click on this if, and you have to select Google Assistant over there. After selecting if, you have to select Google Assistant over there, and it will ask you to connect to the respective account. The account for IFTTT, Google Assistant and Adafruit should be the same mail ID. And hereby I am just providing one command as in-house, and response should be light is on, or I can also make it as welcome home. In home, welcome home. Update this trigger, then go for Adafruit, select the feed name. Here in then that you have to select the Adafruit, then click on the required one, home auto. Whatever the data, if you want to turn on means that data should be provided. Click on one, update the action, then update this. Similarly for off, we have to create another. Again go for that, we have to create the same process once again. For off home, have a good day. Now click on update trigger, click on update. So before clicking on update, we have to just make another one change, like it should be changed to home auto because that is our new feed name. Now click on update action. Now it will be working continuously. The applet is updated now. Now let us go for a testing. In home,
Welcome home.
so it has turned on. Off home, off home, off home.
Opening web page.
So it is going to some web page over there. Off home.
I found a few locations for Ask Home near you.
So it is not recognizing properly.
This is the definition of.
Off home.
For help with that, first you need to allow personal results on this device. You can make that change in Assistant settings.
Out home, we can just update the trigger. Most problem is it has to recognize whatever we are saying. Out home,
Here's what I found.
so that is not being recognized. Make it towards older way. Out room.
Okay, which app do you want to use?
So all the keywords it is directing towards the normal Google part. That is the issue.
Sorry, which app?
I think this is getting disturbed with me.
Spotify isn't installed on your device. You can install Spotify to start listening.
So hereby let me change into apply off. Okay Google, apply off.
Here's what I found.
Okay Google, off room.
I found a few astrologers near you.
Okay Google, apply off.
Here's what I found on the web.
It is not getting redirected over there. So let us try with this alone. 0, yeah, update the block. Now let us go to the coding part. So hereby ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h and Adafruit MQTT.h and Adafruit underscore MQTT client.h and I have provided the relay as connection 1 on D1. Pantech at, that is the Wi-Fi name and password. io@adafruit.com. This is the default port number 1883. Name of my user. So this is my username. If you click on my key means you can get the username and active key. Yeah, the same active key only. Okay, there's no change in that. Wi-Fi client Adafruit and the client will be updated, and once it is getting updated means we have to change that particular feeds. So from which feeds it is going to get, so make it as home auto. I hope that is our feed. Okay, now after that particular home auto, MQTT connection will be started. The baud rate should be enabled, pin mode should be applied, serial print, connecting all the devices now. Now MQTT subscribe, it is waiting for the light action, and within the while loop continuously it will be waiting for the output from the Google Assistant. So once if it is received, the status of the light, the state of the light will be displayed, and according to that the digital light will be applied automatically over here. Now I am uploading this code. To introduce the another cloud only, I have make it as Adafruit, and the advantage of Adafruit is through Adafruit we can also monitor. Prasad Nimkar, if you use OWF means it won't recognize it as OWF. Samuel Nahum sir, there is no setup for Google Assistant. Completely using my phone only. Why I am not using turn off means already the Google Assistant is connected to my smart home. So if I turn off means it will say it as the light is not connected. That's why. Yeah, this is very simple. If the cloud is proper. Yes, more than one also we can do, but you have to purchase in IFTTT. Only 3 applets they are providing, and I hope the coding is applied. Now let us connect it. Positive to D pin, D1. Negative to ground. Yeah, definitely there are chances of network connectivity, Ram sir. Now I am resetting and connecting to the. Very good, Gautam. You can just take the screenshots and add it to the community as masterclass IoT task. In home.
Welcome home.
I have received it as 1. Sorry, I have connected in wrong pin. Of room.
According to Wikipedia, a crow is a bird of the genus Corvus, or more broadly a synonym for all of Corvus.
So I have sent it as a message through Google Assistant itself. Have a good day. I think since I am connecting for a bunch of internet, there will be some issues. Yeah, today whatever we have seen, only this particular process. We have to enable that particular Google Assistant with IFTTT and along with Adafruit. So based on the 3 combo, we have to control this NodeMCU. Through NodeMCU, we have to control the light. So that is our complete task, and I hope we have completed that. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.